Hey guys, Sylvia here and welcome to my Video Backdrops Pro Volume 2 review. Okay guys, so we are on the sales page of this new launch by Max Rilski, a pretty good vendor. I always love his products. Actually, I love the quality of his products. They're most of the time to do with graphics, with video editing, with filming. Recording video, stuff like that. Okay, he has a good score on Warrior Plus, and yeah. So back to the product. It's basically your backdrops for backgrounds for specifically for spokesperson and green screen video. So if you have a spokesperson, you need a certain background, to fit them into. So you do the green screen and, you use like a professional background for your, for these kinds of videos, right? And he says like, take your spokesperson and screen videos to the next level here with this ultimate video backdrops collection. Right, before we go through the sales page, and actually you get to see everything, you are buying here from this sales page, so it's very like to the point, hands-on, transparent. Before I take you through it and show you what exactly you will get here with this offer, I have some amazing bonuses that I want to show you. I want to show you, and I believe will fit like a glove, with this product. And here they are. Okay, so not only are you getting, guys, all of my the amazing training courses I always recommend because they kickstarted my affiliate marketing journey. So there are these courses called Lazy Commissions, Traffic Endgame, and Email Marketing Secrets and Toolkit on affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and email marketing with a super cool vendor, Tim Michaels. But also, what I'm giving you today as a thank you if you decide to pick up Video Backdrops Pro Volume 2 via the link again below my review, right? I'll give you this training course by Mark Hess because I got the giveaway rights to this training course. Now, I bought this training course myself. I use it all the time. And let me take you to the members area of this training course. So basically, you will get instant access to my bonuses through your Warrior Plus account. So if you go to your Warrior Plus, let me just show you quickly, and you go to here, purchase history, you will have under this Video Backdrops Pro, you will also have affiliate bonuses attached to your account, right? So that's where you will access my bonus page and you get instant access to all of my bonuses. So yeah, as you click through here, you will be taken straight away directly to the members area of this bonus called Effortless Video Editing. And it's a whole training on this amazing software, which is a free software, okay? You just need to register, create your account, which does super cool video editing. It's AI powered. And here Mark Hess takes you through, step by step, walks you through how to use this software, how to do all of the editing. You see it's like a full-on training course. I totally love this training course. And, Mark Hess, it's a very, very good vendor, and you will be so well off with this training course when it comes to editing your videos, okay? Now, back to this product. So here on the sales page, and by the way, yeah, you get the access to the sales page from below my review in the description box. And as you can see from this before and after, so this is the kinds of backdrops you will get, hundreds of them. Okay, and what I like about these backdrops, they are very, very unlike anything you can get, okay, out there. So they are very like comfortable, cozy environment. So I have a hotel room, or a hotel room. Living room, bedroom, kitchen, so very casual, sort of comfortable, where something people can relate to. So yeah, quite unique. So with this product, you get you get access to hundreds of premium high quality backdrops for one price. And these are backdrops for Spokesperson videos. Plus, you also get motion backgrounds, live footage, VSL also, and image backgrounds, much more. Plus, you get the commercial license, so you can use these backgrounds to create videos for your clients. And PLR license is also available. There will be additional cost to it if you want to go for there will be two different prices on the front end. So either the commercial license or the PLR, but I'll take you through the prices in a sec. Later on. So you can then sell this product under your name if you get the PLR. Okay, so this product has just gone live and you can grab a copy for $22. The commercial license, the PLR, is more expensive. So yeah, there you go. That's the price for the PLR, so $44. And what else is important here to show you? So you have examples here of all of the backdrops you will get. Okay, and they are like super realistic backdrops and with like moving elements as well. As you can see here, the tree in the window is slightly waving in the wind, as you can see here, right? So that's cool too. And yeah, he just says that you can use similar. It's much cheaper than buying individual stock items. So you can buy some similar video backgrounds individually on stock. Sorry, 1 second. On stock footage sites, but they usually sell for anything from $5 to $20 per video. And the most popular stock footage site gives you a single-use license to use the video on just one project. Imagine this. But with this offer, you will get hundreds of video backgrounds that you can use on unlimited projects, and you can use for your clients too. Right? Okay, so take a look. Take a look at the backdrops you're getting here with like conference room, cafe, bedroom, restaurant, bathroom, reception, kitchen, and again, something realistic, something people can relate to. Okay, so check this out. So the office too. So nice, clean look, cozy. There you go. The bedroom. Again, more of the bedroom. I love this one. It's stunning. Okay, and you can fit in a spokesperson in this background easily, right? And yeah, gym, kitchen, nice. Living room, there you go. Okay, so you have a lot of examples of what you're getting here, and this is precisely what you're buying here. Plus, you get some additional bonus backgrounds, so like virtual studios and real footage videos. So these are the bonuses that you get on top of just the front end, and other like motion backgrounds, so sort of like abstract animations. I like those ones a lot. Okay, I think they look like quite funky and super cool. And then image backgrounds also. And another one is VSL image backgrounds. So these are the bonuses. Plus you get 30 days money back guarantee. So with the commercial license, you can use it for your clients. That's $22. PLR license is $44. So you can resell it under your name. And then let's quickly check out the funnel. So here they say that there are two different prices, obviously. So as to do with the discount, okay, so what's important is that during the launch, hold on, what do they say? During the launch week, the front price will be $22 for the commercial license and $44 for PLR license. After the launch week, the prices will jump to like respectively $22 and $22.99 and $49.99. Okay, so, and here's the funnel. So The front end we have just discussed. Then the upgrade number one will be either 39 or 49, so backgrounds mega pack, so get double the backgrounds plus unlock new backgrounds not available in the main offer. Upgrade number two, either 29 or 39, so these are motion backgrounds pack, so brand new collection of new sets of animated video backgrounds in different styles. Upgrade number three is either 39 or 49, and these would be background makers and source files. So you can create your own backgrounds with source PSD and PNG files. Upgrade number 4, 49 or 99, and that would be bundle of related products. So most likely his previous products. So this upgrade, he says, this upsell comes with a bundle of related video and graphics products for a discounted price. Okay guys, so that brings me to the end of my review on Video Backdrops Pro Volume 2. Okay, the link to this review will be below my video, and remember, you're also getting my amazing bonuses, and this bonus will blow your socks off. I mean, I use it myself, okay? I use the knowledge from this training course and the software all the time. I love it. That's why I decided to buy the giveaway rights, so I can treat my buyers to this epic bonus, okay? So a full-blown training on how to use this free software, AI-powered software, and you will love it. It's so user-friendly. Right, love you and leave you, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye-bye.